Welcome back to Easy Wellness Channel, where we share valuable information about health and well-being. Bananas are popular foods all over the world. They are sweet and soft. Their thick, fibrous peels, on the other hand, are not as famous as a food source, at least in the West. But banana peels are not only safe to eat, despite what many people think. As you may have seen many times, when a character slips on a strategically placed banana peel, the whole crowd laughs. This trick has been used for as long as there have been movies and shows. What if we told you banana peels are good for more than just making you laugh? Every year, more than 100 billion bananas are eaten, so there are a lot of leaves left over. But they are good for your health in many ways. In addition to being good for your health, banana peels are also good for the environment. You can help cut down on the amount of food that ends up in trash by eating the peels. Let's have a look at those benefits. Make sure you stick to the end of the video and leave a comment what you think. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Share the video to your friends. Health benefits. Depending on how ripe they are, bananas and banana peels may be good for your health in different ways. Underripe, green bananas may be better for treating digestive problems, while black bananas have been shown to help white blood cells fight off sickness and infection. Keep in mind that many of these studies were done on rats, not people, and more study is needed to find out if bananas have the same effects on people. Here are a few potential health benefits of banana peels. Depression relief. When combined with the B6 in banana peels, the high amount of tryptophan in bananas can help ease some of the symptoms of depression and other mood disorders. As tryptophan breaks down, it turns into serotonin, which can make you feel better. Vitamin B6 can help you sleep better, which is good for your happiness over time. Digestive health. The fiber in banana peels can help keep the digestive system in balance, which can help with both diarrhea and constipation. This is a benefit of banana peels that can be especially important for people with Crohn's disease or IBS. Better eyesight. Your eyes can stay strong and healthy with the help of vitamin A. Both bananas and banana peels have a lot of this vitamin. May lower cancer risk. The leaves of bananas are full of polyphenols, carotenoids, and other antioxidants that fight the free radicals in your body that can cause cancer. Eating more banana peels, especially green peels that haven't turned yellow yet, can help you get more antioxidants and lower your risk of cancer. Banana peels were studied to see if they could help fight cancer in test tubes, not on people. To find out if banana peels can make people less likely to get cancer, more study needs to be done. Reduce acne and scars. Brightside says that you can put banana peels next to your face wash and cream, which may sound strange. Take the part of the banana peel that has the meat on it and rub it right on your face. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then wash your face. If you do this every day, you may notice that your acne and scars are getting better in a week or two. Splinter removal. Have you picked up a splinter? You can take it off without pain by using this easy way from Brightside. Just put a peel on the area that hurts, tape it down if you need to, and let it sit for about half an hour. There are enzymes in the banana peel that help bring the splinter to the surface of your skin so it can be easily removed with tweezers. Hair health booster. Peels can be used to make your hair more shiny and moist. You can rub the inside of the peels on your hair or mix them together to make a hair mask. Dental health booster. Banana peels can be used as toothpaste to fight tooth infections and improve the health of your gums because they kill germs. Here are a few environmental benefits of banana peels. Perfect for gardening. Since bananas give off methane gas, which the Environmental Defense Fund says is 84 times stronger than carbon dioxide, you can use them for composting or farming. Inhabitat says that all you have to do is put the banana peels around the base of the plants. This will make dirt that gives off nutrients slowly, especially phosphorus, which is very good for plants. Banana peels can also be soaked in water overnight to make a solution that is great for houseplants. About 5 parts standard water and 1 part water from banana peels should be used. Homemade bug repellent. If you like to do things yourself, you can use used banana peels to make a bug trap at home. Inhabitat gives steps that are easy to follow. All you need is a banana peel and a bucket with a lid. Make some holes in the top and put the banana peel inside the jar. Small bugs will be drawn to the banana peel by its sweet smell and fly right into your trap. So, now you have a dinner without bugs. Healthline says that you can rub the banana peel right on your skin if you were hit by an insect or have a rash. This helps you stop feeling itchy and can speed up the healing process. Banana peels have a quality that makes them soothing and can help ease pain.